Film. Field. Field dressing. Hook the wing nut.
Hook the wing nut, hook the wing nut, hook the wing nut. Ah.
It was with it. Oh, no. This was back on.
Oh, bro, this lure's coming out, so. Am I really stupid? I think I'm stupid. I think I'm 100% stupid. Let's look at this. There you go. This is there you go.
There it is.
Do. That looks like you if you don't subscribe.
Where's that? I threw it back in the water. What? Are you stupid?
What'd you throw?
The little fish that I caught.
How do you catch him?
Look, so he was fixing it, and then when the thing was in the water,
So
my
now
hook was
just
in the
keep
water.
it above the water, like things down.
Guys, watch. Guys, watch. I'm gonna catch a bass. Watch my hook. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God. Can you say yer? If you can, you're a genius. If you can't, you're still smart. Quick question. If you clicked on this video, do you like fishing? That's my ultimate question, and I'm gonna ask everybody in the world. Yeah, there's too many people. I don't want to. What are you using?
What are you using?
That looks like you if you don't subscribe. I already told him at the first video. Yeah! The heck are you? Are you using a lure?
Yeah.
What the heck are
And I
you?
have bluegill.
Are you trying to catch a bluegill?
Yeah.
You're trying to catch a bluegill.
Yeah.
Do you know what a bluegill is?
Yes. It's blue and had ears.
Bro, is this a fish? No, I actually swear, was that a fish? Bro, watch this. I'm gonna get it the best fish. Watch this fish. Ready? 3. Wait. Bro, Bro, that actually might be a fish. No, it's not. Wait, you're trying to catch bluegill.
Let's take that shit off.
What's he trying to catch?
You're the. So, we're using that.
No, I want to
You're
change.
the authority here, believe it or not. You've been fishing the longest. You're the authority here.
Who is?
He is, dude.
How's he an authority?
He knows more than all of us combined about fishing. Am I wrong? Okay, well, I'm saying he has the most. Okay, I'll put it this way. He has the most experience. Maybe I'm wrong. Is that recording?
Can you? Yeah.
Is that recording?
Yeah.
Really? Having fun?
Yep, bro's recording.
Yeah?
Wait, you know we got a cameraman, guys, right? Yeah, we got a cameraman.
You expect to get guild cameraman rates? I don't think so. But we don't play that.
Cameramans
Oh, we don't play that.
will never be able to eat in this channel.